Hi, this is a quick tutorial on how to kind of check and keep up with your students' work. So I'm going to show you two things. I am a student in one and a teacher in the other, so they're going to look different. I am a student in this one, so if you just go to the main Google Classroom page, just hit Classes. This button down here is a quick view of everything that is due or that has been posted on your child's classroom. So this is all. You can go to things that are just assigned, you can go to return, or you can hit missing, and it'll show you everything. The nice thing about this is that over here, if they have gotten a grade, you could see their grades very quickly. Not everything is graded, and there's multiple people who post things in classrooms, so don't be too concerned if there's a lot of missing assignments right now. I would focus more on the things that have been graded because those are the things the teachers find to be the most important. As far as day-to-day assignments and helping your student get through things, the classwork section is where everything is actually posted. Up at the top is Amped. If you click on any given assignment, you should be able to come over here and see if they have turned it in or if it is just assigned. There also might be one, let me see if I can find a good example down here, of one that might have been resubmitted to them with a grade. So it might say turned in. Assigned means that it has not been graded yet, or that it's been reassigned to them, and 9 means it's been completely graded. That means that those students have it graded. On your child's screen, it should say something similar, but it's only their assignment instead of everybody's. If you click on it, I'm not going to because you'd see all of my students and their grades. If you click on graded, you should be able to see a grade and what that student, a comment that I might have left for them. So please go ahead and go in and look at that. That also shows the comments so that you know exactly why I gave them the grade I gave them. As of right now, everything in our Google Classroom is practicing using the tools and reading directions since all this is independent. The other thing for right now to think about, your student will see all of these things. Basically, they should go in order down the list to complete each assignment. Some things are labeled specifically only for fourth, so fifth graders wouldn't have to do that, and some are only for fifth, so fourth graders shouldn't have to do that. We oftentimes also try to assign it to the correct student so that they only see what needs to be done for them that day. Um, Please feel free to email Coach Kelly with any questions regarding late assignments, things that might be confusing on here, and we will do what we can to support you guys. Have a great day.